Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to remove the author's name from WordPress posts. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of the features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for the subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow and listen to my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to complete the task and remove author name from WordPress posts in no time. Now let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to check the theme settings, and to do that you have to log into your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and then entering your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to appearances in the left sidebar right here and click on customize. Now look for an option to disable author names in the blog or post settings. You can look for them as soon as you make a website. For the second step is you can use a plugin. Install a plugin like WP Meta or Data Remover. Just go here, go back to the dashboard, and in the left sidebar click on plugins right next to the plugin icon right here and search for WP Meta, or you can choose Data Remover and then search for it. Now, as I said before, installing a plugins require a subscription, a paid subscription in WordPress.com, so make sure you pay for it. Now, configure the plugin settings to hide author names from posts. The third step is to add a custom CSS. Add this code in appearances, go to appearances, here, and click on customize, and click on additional CSS. Now you're gonna have to pay for a subscription to do this step. After that, you can add a CSS codes like this one, dot post slash author, open the parentheses and type in display 2 points none point comma and close the parentheses. And for the fourth and final step is to edit theme files, and to do that you have to go back to appearances again. Let's go back to appearances again and then click on themes, and then click on the file editor and edit single.php or content.php and locate and delete the code displaying the author's name. For additional tips, always back up your site before editing theme files and test changes to ensure no design elements are broken. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.